So hello and welcome back to my another video, guys. Today we are going to show how to hide the subscribers. Almost everyone just making some kind of new channels on YouTube every day, and they want some subscribers, some users, some others to just demonetize their channel, their video also, but they didn't get there just because you have a less subscribers, so you won't get any more view or any more subscribers. So what you have to do is just hide your subscribers, so the person who will watch your video thinks that this guy has hide the subscriber, maybe he is knowledgeable enough to give me some more information about something that you made a video about. So let's talk and just start how to do it. So let's hide the subscriber in the YouTube. So what you have to do is go to Chrome and then go to YouTube almost and then this is my channel, so you have to go to your channel, whatever your channel name is. So now we have to go to YouTube Studio Beta. There we go. This is the YouTube Studio Beta. There you can see everything, how to do it, how to not. So then you have to go to Creator Studio Classic and give anyone, it doesn't matter. Here we go. And then this is the classic version of the Studio Beta. So if we don't find much option in a beta version, so we did like to come in classic mode. So there it is, and then go to advanced. Here you can find channel speed recommendation and subscribers count. So what you have to do is just to check this mark, do not display the numbers of people subscribed to my channel. That means if anyone just visit to your channel, you won't able to see your subscribers. So what you have to do is just this, check this, save. I have already, and you can see my subscribers are hide. So there we go, and just save it. There you go, and you will come back to the Studio Classic Beta. Studio Classic, and then simply go to YouTube. There you go. Within just a few seconds it will apply the settings in your channel. So thank you so much, guys. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to like this video and hit also the bell icon so you can get notification every time I just came with new tricks or new stuff or new information. So thank you so much, guys. Stay tuned.